going to show you hinge position. This is very much core. Okay, I'm going to do a row, so I'm going to show you hinge position. This is very much core basic stuff, but you have to learn it on your back. So when you come into something like this, you've already explored all the stuff. You know what's happening here. You can focus on your weight. Okay, so I'm in hinge position. This is a full, completely relaxed belly. I'm going to inhale. I would not inhale like this in a loaded position with my back like this. I'm going to exhale. That's all core and breath. I didn't need to squeeze my glutes or tuck my pelvis to get there. That's not how we do that with the core, especially in a hinge position. Now I would take a soft inhale. Exhale. So I'm holding this core stability in this position when I'm holding this large weight. Soft inhale, exhale, zip, row. Inhale, soft release. Ear, shoulder, hip. Neutral pelvis. So ear, shoulder, hip not working. Ear, shoulder, hip not working. Ear, shoulder, hip. I'm going to send the hips back. Nothing else moves. Everything stays the same. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Soft inhale. Exhale. Into the ribs, belly and back expand. Exhale. Everything up and in is heavy. Now, coming back onto all fours with a neutral spine. So neutral spine, we're not dumping into the low back, and we're also not rounding too much. Nice and long. Keep your gaze down and forward. Slowly walk your fingertips forward. We're going to come into puppy pose. So those arms extend long, and you're going to drop your chin and chest to the mat. Now, watch out for coming into the low back too much. So actively press palms into mat. You'll feel your arms activate a little bit, and see how I made a nice straight line from my ribs to my pelvis. Now, inhale here, and exhale.